Hey guys, welcome. I'm so glad you signed up for this course. Programming has many different languages, such as Python, Java, and C++, that all follow the same big ideas. The language that you're going to be learning in this course is Python. There are a lot of different things you can do with Python, and it is one of the easiest languages to learn. So let's get started and install Python. So first, we're going to go to the link www.python.org/downloads/. To get to this link, you could also just Google download Python and click on the first link that pops up. Then click on this button right here that says download Python. It should be the first button you see. When the download is finished, open up the installer and click through all the steps they guide you through. You can accept any terms and conditions and then click install. The installation may take a while, and that's okay. Once you're done installing Python, you can install Visual Studio Code, which is the code editor that we're going to use. We're going to write, debug, and run our code on this platform. Please refer to the next article for how to install Visual Studio Code.